What's good, and welcome back, to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're gonna go over VeCHAIN. We're almost up 12% on the day. There's a couple of massive patterns that I want to make you guys aware of. Very exciting times for VET and the entire market. So we're currently sitting in a market cap of 8.59 billion, 24-hour volume 849 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, check out the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. And they have crypto earn where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. Definitely worth checking out. All right, guys. So we have this inverse head and shoulder and we broke out. I posted it in the Discord just as it was breaking the neckline and it's absolutely exploded. So if you want to stay ahead of the game on these trades, on these breakouts, we have over 1,000 members. You can sign up to the Patreon. It's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it, guys. So we're trending into overbought. We're sitting at 77 on the 4-hour RSI, and on the 1-hour RSI as well, we're quite overbought. So we may see a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of pullback, but when your bull run is in full force, you're going to see coins stay overbought for quite some time. You can see here how we were pumping back in March and April. Look at the RSI. We stayed in overbought. We came back down. We went back up into overbought, and we stayed there for quite some time. You can stay in overbought for weeks, guys. So it's just something to be aware of. So we'll give you a breakout target here from this inverse head and shoulders, and there's a much larger inverse head and shoulders at play. All right, guys. So this price target will bring you up to breaking this neckline. Will bring you up to 16.3, and will bring you back above the golden ratio. You know what happens when you get back above the golden ratio, guys. So we have this larger left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If we come up and break this neckline, your target is all the way up at 24 cents. You're back above the golden ratio. You have a high chance of coming up to the 1.272 extension, which is up here at 43 cents for Solana. Now there's a major buy signal here, and it's the bullish cross on the daily EMAs of the 20 over the 55. Sorry, guys, I think I said Solana for VeCHAIN, and it's just happened. We've just had the bullish cross. Now, if you ignore this little pump we had here, and we went back to the explosive moves we had in February, April, and March for VeCHAIN, which I think are just starting up once again here. Here's when we had the bullish cross. And if we take our measurement here from our bullish cross, it was a gain of 2,365% for VeCHAIN. So I want to give you guys some future price targets to be excited about here. You have the 1.272 at 43. You have the 1.618 at 78 cents. Now, a lot of coins have a very high likelihood and a good chance to make it up to the 2.272 extension, in my opinion. I'm also going to drop in the 2 here, which is at 151, and the 2.272 is at 236. And from the current price, that's a juicy gain of 1,700%. So basically a 17x possibility here for VET. And even if we come up to the 2, you're still looking at a 10x for VeCHAIN. I do think it will at least come up to the 2, and has a high likelihood of having a blow off top here at the 2.272 for VeCHAIN at 236. So just something to be excited about here. Now, if we do see a little bit of pullback for VeCHAIN, I would target this previous swing high. Let me drop it in for you guys here and give it a little price target. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy, and hope you're absolutely thrilled for these crypto breakouts. All right, guys. So 12 cents, you can see your previous swing high, previous level of resistance, support. So this could act as a major level of support. If we do see some rollover here, we are seeing a pretty strong red candle right now. So do target 12 cents. If we do lose that level of support here, guys, you want to target the 0.5, which lines up pretty close to our neckline here. Sorry, guys, this is at 0.126 and this is at 12 cents exactly. So do keep an eye on these levels of support here for VeCHAIN. Let's quickly look at Bitcoin. I'm seeing a bit of a red candle, some sell-off here. Yeah, so we're seeing some sell-off right now for Bitcoin. So it looks like we may come back down to 59.8 or quite possibly the 55 EMA here on the 4-hour chart. Some sell-off has been due here for Bitcoin, so it looks like it may be starting here. If we were to lose 59.8, I'd probably target this swing high here at about 57.7, but I do think the EMAs and 59.8 could act as a strong level of support. Your levels of support for VeCHAIN here, we have 0.126 and 0.120, and then your next levels of resistance, just gonna pop it over. We have the golden ratio here, which is coming in at about 0.147, 14 cents. And then we have this neckline up here at about 16.38. We break that neckline, we head up to 24 cents for VeCHAIN. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Exciting times in the market. Check out the Discord, check out crypto.com. Smash that like button. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.